Hey everybody, Beau Stacey here with Marquee Insurance Group. I'm the Director of Marketing and Compliance, and I'm here to talk to you guys about Operation Safe Driver Week. We're going to give you guys some tips and tricks on how to avoid being pulled over by the DOT officers, staying in your lane, and going about things the right way. These 8 tricks and tips should be followed every single day, and they're rather straightforward and easy to adhere to. So first things first, keep your eyes on the road, right? Make sure you're aware of what's around you. You can't control what the vehicles are doing next to you, in front of you, behind you, but if you're keeping your eyes on the road, it'll put you in a much better position to be able to react if something were to happen, and put yourself again in the best possible position. Next, we're gonna have put your phone down. If I can't drive my personal vehicle holding my cell phone, we shouldn't be driving any type of commercial vehicles with our phones in our hand either. Get a headset, wear it, and use it. Don't stand out. Next thing we're gonna talk about is don't speed. We have posted speed limits on the highways, on the back roads, on every single road you're going to drive on. Follow the speed limit. Next thing we have is buckling up. This is obviously for your protection. Wear your seatbelt and make sure, if it's over the lap, over the shoulder, you've got some sort of harness on, because that's one of the things that a DOT officer is going to look for, so put your seatbelt on, please. Up next, we're going to have give way. This is just have a little bit of patience on the road. If you're pulling up to an intersection, somebody's trying to take a right, let them go. I know you guys are in a hurry to get loads delivered. We're on a tight schedule. We all are. Time is money, but give way. On top of that, this one kind of can be looped in with the don't speeding, but don't tailgate. Let's give the cars in front of us and the vehicles in front of us plenty of room to make sure that if they do have a sharp break, they slow down very quickly. You have time to react. Pair that with keeping your eyes on the road, you'll be okay. Straighten up and fly right. Hey, look the part, right? Take your truck through the truck wash, get it cleaned. There's nothing worse than pulling through a weigh station. You've got papers all in your dash. Your power unit hasn't been washed in months. That's going to be a flag to get pulled over and taken a look at even closer than if you pulled through and everything was clean. So take the extra time, straighten up, fly right, look good, play good, get paid good, hopefully. And then last but not least, we got our BLTs. Check the BLTs, and I'm not talking about the sandwich we all love, at least most of us, but your brakes, your lights, and your tires. The lights are going to be the #1 cause of violations across the country. These can all be checked by doing your pre-trip walk-arounds, right? Check your brakes, your lights, your tires before you leave. Check them when you're at the shipper. Check them when you're at the receiver. Check them every time you have an opportunity to stop your fueling up. Take a lap around the unit, and you'll put yourself in a good position. Set yourself up for success. They're going to be looking hard. They're going to be checking everything. So make sure you've got all of your ducks in a row, and best of luck out there. We appreciate your business, and thanks for your time.